Hey there, sports fans. Today, we're diving into the saga of American football, from the days of leather helmets to the grandeur of Super Bowls. Buckle up for a touchdown journey through time. Our story begins in the early 20th century, a time when football players wore leather helmets and the game was more rugged than glitzy. It was a sport evolving on dusty fields, far from the shiny stadiums we know today. Picture this: a bunch of determined players, tackling and running with a different kind of gusto. These were the pioneers, laying the groundwork for what would become a national obsession. As the years rolled on, American football gained momentum. It became more organized, and the crowd's cheers grew louder. The game evolved, and so did the gear. Enter the iconic hard helmets, a far cry from the leather ones. The gridiron was transforming, and with it, stars emerged, names like Jim Thorpe and Red Grange, whose exploits became the stuff of legend. Now, let's fast forward to 1920, the birth of the National Football League, NFL. The game was on its way to becoming a national sensation. Teams were forming, and the stage was set for a new era. The NFL grew, and with it, the talent pool expanded. Players like Johnny Unitas and Jim Brown became household names, setting the stage for the league's golden age. Now, brace yourselves for the big leagues, the Super Bowl era. The 1960s saw the birth of the Super Bowl, a spectacle that would elevate American football to unprecedented heights. The Super Bowl wasn't just a game, it was a cultural event. The halftime shows became legendary, and the commercials turned into must-see moments. Fast forward to today, and American football is a powerhouse. The Super Bowl is a global phenomenon, with epic matchups, halftime extravaganzas, and commercials that cost more than a small country's GDP. We've witnessed the rise of incredible athletes like Tom Brady, Peyton Manning, and the unstoppable force that is Patrick Mahomes. The game has evolved, and each season brings new narratives and unforgettable moments. And there you have it, folks, the American football saga, from leather helmets to Super Bowls. A story of grit, glory, and the game that became a national passion. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the heart and history of American football.